Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our tutorial on replacing the plate and battery on the Conga 999. Let's dive into the tools you will need. First, gather a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat head screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. If you don't have these tools at hand, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring you get the help you need without any hassle. Begin by removing the screws on the back cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you'll need them to reassemble the device later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry the back cover off. Work your way around the edges slowly to avoid damaging any clips. Now that we have access to the internal components, take a moment to clean out any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help ensure that your device operates smoothly after the repair. Next, locate the battery. It is typically secured in place with a few screws. Carefully remove these screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. If you find it difficult to access the battery, don't worry, just take your time and ensure you don't force anything. Once the screws are out, gently lift the battery from its compartment. Pay attention to the connection points, as you'll need to disconnect the battery from the board. If you're unsure about the process, feel free to reach out to us. We provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert advice if needed. After removing the old battery, it's time to install the new one. Align the new battery with the connection points and gently press it into place. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure it is tightly fitted to avoid any issues in the future. Now, let's replace the plate. If you're switching plates, ensure you have the correct model that fits the Conga 999. Position the new plate over the device and align it with the screw holes. Insert the screws and tighten them with your Phillips head screwdriver. Remember, don't over-tighten, as this could cause damage to the plastic. With the plate securely in place, it's time to reattach the back cover. Start at one edge and work your way around, pressing down until you hear the clips snap into place. This is a crucial step to ensure your device is fully sealed. Before you finish, take a moment to check everything. Ensure all screws are tightened, and the back cover is securely attached. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed or unsure about any step, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs involved before proceeding. Finally, power on your Conga 999 to confirm that everything is functioning correctly. If it powers up and operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the plate and battery. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to use our services, as we're here to make the process as smooth as possible with no calls, no travel. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.